Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Tago Farms, and this video is very awesome. We're going to be reacting to a farmer growing watermelon in his backyard. A simple way you can actually grow watermelon and then have it come out nice. So we're going to react to the video in a short time. So let's get to it. Wow, this is pretty nice. I think this is the end product. Wow, wow. No, this is just a simple way you can actually grow watermelon at your own backyard. Oh, yummy. Came out very nice. Can you imagine? And he has, I believe he has other, oh, can actually do this using watering can. I think he's going to grow the watermelon inside a can. Wow. Super easy, very simple. This is something you can actually do at your backyard. Hmm. He's done cutting it. This is nice. Ooh. Guys, this video, you are going to enjoy this video. Trust me, this is the compost. So he's going to fill up those containers in which he's going to plant the watermelon. Let's see what he got. Wow, this is very nice, man. What is this? Trichodema. Guys, what is the work of trichodema? I'm gonna research on that and see what trichodema does to the soil or how it improves your crop. Hmm. Wow, so fast, man. This is pretty fast. This should be about 2 weeks old or 1 week. 2 weeks, probably. Now it is time to transplant. What he's doing now, he is transplanting the watermelon, the nursery, into the main container that will carry it all through the harvesting time. This is going to be interesting. I can't wait to see the final results. Oh, and he's done. He's planting I think 2 2 and 4 4 per plant. Okay, he's trying to mulch to avoid excessive heat and to avoid the weed growing inside the container. What is he trying to do? Wow, is that a cutting board? I think this is the watering process. How the water are going to get to the whole plant. So this water, this what's it called? The water bottle is going to be for water generation to generate water all through the garden. Okay, interesting. Wow. So probably he might need to be refilling these every 2 days. I think it's quite okay, quite innovative, placing them all in the container. So the water will keep draining out, probably for 24 hours. You refill 1 week. Let's see. Nice. This is pretty cool, man. Just in 1 week, they've grown to this extent, man. Watermelon can grow so fast. I never knew. And they are healthy, man. They're quite healthy. The water is draining out. Now it's time to hang. What he's trying to do, he's constructing the platform on which he will hang the uh, watermelon. So he needs to prepare the staking. He needs to stake the watermelon. That's what it's doing. You need to stake it to the wall so that the watermelon can go towards the wall and then hang. So you're going to see what it's going to do. It's pretty simple, super innovative, and then easy to do, man. That's what it's doing. Trying to stake them or to the wall. This is very nice, man. Yeah, done. Okay, what is it doing this time around? Wow. Okay, it's adding more compost. It's adding more compost so that the soil nature and the soil nutrients will be retained. You know, the soil is actually losing the nutrients, so it needs to feed the soil more with compost. That will actually boost the yield and the growth of the watermelon. That is what it's trying to do here. Hmm. Want to see 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. Wow, they are flowering already in 2 weeks. Wow, they are flowering in 2 weeks. You can see. Wow. Hmm. This is nicely done. This 3 weeks. So let's see what the wow. The flowers are popping up every day. They're growing taller. Hmm. 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 This is nice. Wow. So guys, put in the comment section, are you going to try this one out? Watermelon at your living space. It's super simple, super easy. You can do it all by yourself. So why not try this out? Hmm. Oh, what's it trying to do? Okay. What he's trying to do here is to hand pollinate. He's trying to hand pollinate the other flowers. So, and this is very effective so that pollination can evenly go around the whole plant. So, in a situation whereby there is no or there are no insects or butterflies or bees to pollinate, you can hand pollinate yourself. That is what he did here. 4 weeks. This is 1 month after planting. Hmm. They're already developing the watermelon seed. They are developing already. Wow. So in 1 month, you have the watermelon developing. Take note. What's it doing? Okay. It's a breaking of excess branches, if I should call it branch anyway. So you need to have minimal growth. So he doesn't want his plants to overgrow with lots of leaves. So he's trimming off excess leaves or excess shoots. This is 5 months. Wow, look at how big they are in 5 months. Hmm. They're actually developing very quickly, very fast. Wow, this is pretty nice. This is 6 weeks. 6 weeks. How fast they've grown in 1 week, or how big they've grown in just 1 week. Wow, wow, wow. This is nice. 7 weeks. Hmm. Hmm. 7 weeks. So it is time to support the fruit. The weight is becoming too much on the plant. So you need to support the watermelon not to fall off. So we are nearing 8 weeks. We're nearing harvesting stage. Oh, they've grown so big in 2 months, man. This is awesome. In just 2 months, they've grown this big. Man, man, this is nice. Super simple. You can try it out in your comfort zone, at the comfort of your back. In 9 weeks, just in your own space, you can actually try this out. Man, this is nice, man. This is nice. Wow. This is pretty cool, man. Think it's almost time to harvest. Yeah, it is time to harvest. Ooh, exactly. Hmm. Wow, it came out nice, man. It looks so yummy. This is nice, man. Well, guys, trust me, this is super simple. You can actually try this in your own little garden and your own little way. So the farmer is harvesting everything off the garden this time around. So guys, thank you for sticking around. I'm gonna bring you more of videos like this, more of easy peasy videos like this you can actually try out on your own and you cut some bills on groceries. Thank you very much.